Alright, so I've been running Magnefine filters on my transmission on my 7.3 diesel, and that's what it looks like. Well, last August I replaced it, put a new one on. I ordered directly from Magnefine on eBay. Well, within a couple of weeks it was leaking. Got a hold of Magnefine, the seller, and they basically tried to sell me one that was rebuildable for, instead of $20 for one, it was $150. Well, if you're making a quality product, it shouldn't leak in the first place. I shouldn't have to buy one that's rebuildable. Well, as you can see, this is the label that came off of the one on my truck, and the reason I'm even dealing with this right now, it's June, end of June 2018. This one's been put on, if I remember correctly, October-ish of 2017. I have a a transmission fluid leak when I started it up today, and the label was coming off, and I was cleaning up the filter, and lo and behold, what do we have here? A Ford filter with a Magnefine filter over the top of it. Let me see if I can get in there. 1/2 inch. Hopefully I can get this. So is it a Magnefine or is it a Ford? And is it leaking because it was a Ford and not a Magnefine filter? Or are they just all POS? It may be time to look for a different supplier or a different setup. And it's leaking where this top, where my thumbnail is, that actually unscrews. You can kind of see that little ledge there. That unscrews from the filter. It's not leaking from the clamp on either side. It's leaking right there. Not very happy when you pay for a name brand and apparently you're getting something rebranded.